Hey, Daddy.
Oh, hey, Coco.
That looks delicious.
Thank you. It's gonna be a delicious lunch today.
Okay.
Just smell the beauty.
I'm gonna go grab a water bottle.
Okay, good. Remember to stay hydrated.
Yep. Hi, Mommy.
Hey, sweetie. You excited for the fireworks today?
Yep.
Good.
I'm gonna go get a water bottle.
Okay.
Hey, Mila.
Hi. Look. I'm building a sandcastle.
Pretty nice.
Thanks. I'm gonna keep building it, and it's gonna be so big. It's gonna be bigger than Mom and Dad stacked up together.
Okay. Good luck with that.
Thank you, but I don't need it. You're gonna be huge.
Now, where is that water bottle? Oh, hey, Cece.
Hey, Coco. The cooler's over there.
Oh, thanks.
Wow, that's so easy.
Wetzel.
Well, I'm reading here that our country is turning 245 years old today.
That is a long time.
Yep, and I always thought that the 4th of July was just a day to have picnics and watch fireworks. I had no idea that it was a birthday.
Oh yes, it is the birthday of our country. People that lived long ago fought very hard so that we can have the freedoms that we have today. America won freedom on the 4th of July, 1776.
Like, what kind of freedoms? I always hear talk about freedom, but I don't know exactly what it means.
For us, it's hard to imagine life without being able to do what we want. Think about this. If you have been good and your mom says you can have a treat, what will you do?
Oh, that's easy. We go to Walmart and pick out a toy, or we go to the ice cream shop, or we go to Wendy's for chicken nuggets, or we go to the pool, or
See how many choices you have? That is freedom, being able to make and have choices. If you want to come to church, what do you do?
well, we listen to the pastor when he preaches, and I get to see our brothers and sisters.
That's exactly what I mean. You have the freedom to go to church anytime you like. There are places that can't do that.
So, you mean some people can't go to church? No songs? No Sunday school? No children's church?
It's sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why we celebrate July 4th. Some really brave people were willing to give up everything so that we can do all these things.
I see.
We should thank God every day for our country and pray for it too. We should pray for our president and that God will help him make right decisions. And also pray for our soldiers today who continue to keep us free.
I'm glad our ancestors were so brave, and I am glad that we have freedom.
Me too, Cece.
Yep.
Me too. What is this?
Oh, hey Coco. You like the castle I built? I told you it's gonna be huge.
Yeah, it's very big.
Yep, sure is.
Wow. Oh, this is a new record. We need to take some pictures.
Come on.